Hello everybody, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Lydia, and if you're one of my amazing returning subscribers, welcome back. Today we're going to be trying out this little ponytail type situation that I got. So if you guys want to see how all of this turns out, go ahead and stay tuned. So y'all, just like everyone, I have bad hair days, like a lot, and sometimes I don't feel like doing my hair all the time. I have a lot of hair and it's really long and my texture is really coily, so I don't want to do my hair all the time, but a lot of times that discourages me from making videos or making other content because I'm just like, my hair's not done, I look crazy. So I like to have little things that I can put on and pull myself together. So when I saw this, I thought that it would be really cool to try out. And this is the Bang X Pony Quick Pony by Outre. And I've heard a lot about Outre. I hear that they have a lot of really nice and good quality synthetic wigs as well as hair pieces and things of that sort. So I was really happy when I saw it was a brand that I kind of knew a little bit about. This is the color 1B, which is not my hair color. I'm a 2, but we're gonna make it work today. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see what it looks like. So it just opens up like this. Has like a little thumb loop. And just like other hair pieces and stuff, it comes like this. So it just has that little net thingy. Okay. So far so good. It looks interesting. So this is what the bang and the ponytail looks like. And this is really interesting because y'all, this was like $19.99. And it's made out of heat resistant fibers. So you can actually use your flat iron or a curling iron on this. And it's safe to use heat up to 400 degrees. So you could literally press this out if you wanted to too. So I think that that is really cool. Now I'm gonna read you guys a little bit of the description for this ponytail. It mentions the Quick Pony is a quick and easy to attach hairpiece available in a range of the trendiest colors and styles with the convenience and comfort of a drawstring construction. Innovatively designed with a clip to attach to the front of your hairline and a drawstring to attach to your hair. Our new Bang X Pony series was made for the woman on the go. So we're gonna see how well this goes, and I'm gonna try to give you guys an up close so you can actually see the clips and stuff like that. These are the clips in the front on the bang that I guess you would clip to the front of your hairline. And they snap open like this, and this is what they look like up close. So that's what the clips look like for the bang, and this is what the drawstring part looks like, and I guess where you would put all of your hair. So that's what the actual back of the ponytail looks like. So thankfully I straightened my hair recently. I'll be able to actually fit my hair into that little pocket. I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair down and readjust it so that the bang and the little ponytail part will fit right. I might do like a little dry fit and see exactly where I need to put my bun. So I think I need to put the bun like right on top of my head so it'll fit. But I'm gonna just do it in like a little top knot. Okay, now that I look like a little ice cream cone, I'm going to take the little drawstring part and I'm gonna try to open it a little bit. Oh wait, nah, take that back. I'm gonna try to keep it tight so that it stays like in a cup form, so it'll form around the bun. So here we go. I don't think I'm gonna snap the snaps in the front. I know you guys can't see, but I grabbed hold of the elastic string and now I'm just trying to pull it tight. it stays. I guess it's not too bad. This kind of is what it looks like up close. I kind of feel like Shanae, like honestly. Since I can put heat on it, maybe if I like either add more curls to it, or maybe if I like straightened it a bit or something. I don't know what it is about it right now. Like straight out of the pack, it's just kind of looking weird. Maybe I just need to separate the curls because now it's starting to look a little bit like something. This isn't terrible. I feel like definitely if I have someplace to be and my hair is kind of looking crazy, this could come in handy. I would probably end up tweaking it just a little bit, whether like with the bang situation or maybe putting a couple more curls in it. Maybe it's because I'm not used to seeing myself with bangs. I've always wanted bangs, but I didn't want to cut bangs in my actual hair. But you know what? It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Especially like for 20 bucks. Like this is definitely a nice piece to have in your collection. I mean, I kind of feel like I might have to work with how it's sitting on my head and like styling it and stuff like that. But the quality of this is really good. Like it doesn't feel like synthetic hair. I know like a lot of times with synthetic hair, it tangles really bad and stuff like this. I'm able to run my fingers through it easily and it doesn't look super shiny. The bangs are kind of shiny, but the actual ponytail, it has like a regular hair look. Like it doesn't look super shiny or synthetic or anything like that. And if you're able to put up to 400 degrees on this synthetic hair, like that's some good synthetic hair. So I'm happy that I have this now because, you know, if my hair is looking crazy one day and I need to film, I'll have something kind of cute that I can just throw on and go on about my business. When you split it in half and bring each side to the front, it almost looks like a half up, half down type situation. So I really like that. And you guys, I cannot find the exact length of this ponytail, but I will find it and I will have it listed in the description box. So definitely check that out for all of the details on this ponytail. If you split it straight down the middle, I don't know if you guys remember that cartoon, and there was like a rat or something and she was about to get married or something. She on a wedding dress. I'm gonna find a picture and I'm gonna insert it. But like when you split the bang down the middle, that's what I look like. So y'all, as always, I will have this linked below in the description box so that you guys can check it out and pick it up for yourselves if you want to. And if you guys do, let me know what you guys think about it down below in the comment section. So yeah, that was my review of the Outre pony plus bang combo. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. And as always, I hope to see all of you guys next time. Bye.